Hello everyone and welcome to today's TEFL Masterclass. My name is Neil Harris and the topic of today's masterclass is AI and pronunciation. Hype or hope? So what does this mean? Well, in the last couple of years, English language teaching, like all aspects of life, has been apparently overloaded with talk of AI, and in particular, for the teaching community, generative AI. But the question is this: does it actually help us as teachers? And does it actually help our learners? And that is the explanation for the title of today. Is AI and pronunciation just a load of hype? Lots of people talking about things that actually aren't possible? Or does it actually give us hope for better learning and better production of pronunciation for our learners? Tune in and find out.